Broad and clear forehead. Now we come to, you can see, broad and clear forehead. A lot of multi-millionaire, a lot of country leader, or the prime minister, president, all have a very good forehead. And even the actress, this is a Malay actress, very famous one. You can see their forehead. So the kind of person have a good luck in their career. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is talking about the forehead. Is our this part forehead. So when you see the people's face, the first sign you come in is the eyes. After that is the forehead and the nose and the mouth. So forehead is very important. Forehead represent 15 years old to 30 years old. Almost control 15 years of your life. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, please do it. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we come back to my free face reading courses. Today, this section is talking about the forehead. I will not introduce myself. I'm Mr. Chang. Actually, people call me CMS. I'm the chemical engineer and safety professional, fire prevention professional. But this physiognomy and all the face reading and the face, all this is all my hobby. I just want to teach everybody my experience and my knowledge. Of course, when I doing all these things, people give me the money and ang pao. I actually donated to the nurse home. And this is a very big nurse home in Tri Ratana in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. You can go to their website to see www.ratana.org.my. Thank you. What is this channel? This channel actually is talking about the free courses of the face reading for everyone. Why you want to learn? Because you have to learn how to identify a stranger or any person instantly within 1 to 3 minutes by face reading. So if you are interested, please make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and see this video until the end. Now the whole world actually suffering from coronavirus. Look like the second round is coming back as I predicted. Everyone mostly wear the mask everywhere. So we can only see the person eyebrow, eyes, ear and forehead. So today's topic forehead is very important. All the basic knowledge actually I did it in my fourth video, EV5, for the basic knowledge of the face reading. If you want to refer, you can go there. So today I will not repeat all these things. So what is the identification of forehead? How do you see someone have a good luck between 15 years old to 30 years old from their forehead? So forehead is very important. So forehead actually, this portion can analyze their father, mother, brother, sister and husband and wife. The career prospect also, the thinking analysis ability and the person life opportunity of the forehead type. In Chinese actually they got 13 portions of forehead type. But now we separate it into top, middle and bottom because we don't have so many time to go to the comprehensive side. This is a primary course also. If you continue watch this video, I will teach you how to analyze the person's life from forehead. Since the ancient time, healthcare is no instrument or x-ray or blood test. The doctor can only treat the person based on the face feature, face reading, palmistry, heartbeat, and physical condition of their body. So in Chinese medicine, practitioner can use the colors of a forehead to determine whether the person's kidney is faulty. From the moles and the lines of a forehead of a lady, he can actually determine whether there is a problem with the girl's uterus. Of course, now, most of the doctors have an instrument and equipment to test your blood pressure, x-ray, everything. They can analyze a patient more detail. However, this modern medical knowledge only developed within 500 years only, not very old. Or we have a history more than 6,000 to 10,000 years. So the division of this forehead, I actually divide into 3 portions. So the Chinese physiognomy got 13 portions, as I said before. Now we make it as simple as these courses. So you can see this is a 3 portion. On top near to the hair is the top portion, the middle side and the bottom side. The upper part of the forehead actually indicate the relationship with the parent and the career development of the person. This section control the age of 15 to 20. The left side actually represent father, left side, your left hand side here, and the right hand side, the top, is your mother. So it's a very accurate one. If your left side, the forehead is actually up, that means your father health or luck is not good. If your right side, the forehead is up, very high, then that means your mother's health or your mother's luck is not very good. Okay, so I not go into that. That one is in the higher course, then we will teach you. Now it's a primary course. So the middle portion of the forehead actually indicate the person's memory and his blessing and his enjoyment. So it represents a person for humanity and compassion. Here this portion, middle side. So you can see when the middle side is very smooth or when middle side come out, that means the person's luck and memory is very strong. Enjoyment also very good. That means he have a very good luck to enjoy the good childhood time. The lower portion of a forehead is indicate the person's observation ability, relationship with brother and sister. This near to the eyebrow one. This portion is prominent and flashy. That means the person can be very famous and successful very early. That means this portion actually come out a bit and a lot of flashy. Forehead is very important part of the face. It should not cover by hair. Don't cover the hair. Always push your hair outward. Because now a lot of popular hairstyle for young people, especially Korea, their hairstyle is to cover the whole forehead until eyebrow. You also cannot see their eyebrow, only see their eye. This is not very good practice. This is very good bad luck. For many young people generation, they have a bad luck and have a poor work and even no good career because they cover the forehead. This is very important. You can see this is an example how they cover. Some people even cover the eyes also cannot see. You see half of the eyes only. Some people cover eyes you still can see but eyebrow cannot see. But all this is not good. If a person cover their forehead for the whole month or year or longer, it will bring them the very bad luck. If you only cover few hours for party or few days, that's alright. That's the other matter. Broad and clear forehead. Now we come to, you can see, broad and clear forehead. A lot of multi-millionaire, a lot of country leader or the prime minister, president, all have a very good forehead. And even the actress, this is a Malay actress, very famous one. You can see their forehead. So the kind of person have a good luck in their career. They always meet their helper. That means the forehead is very strong. They can meet their helper oftenly. When they face a problem, the helper come in. Most of the richest millionaire, as I say, leaders of a country or company, actors and famous person have a broad and clear forehead. Now this is a curved up forehead. That means the whole thing curved up. Is like a ball curved up. You can see very clear this lady. Then you see from the side, you can see there's a curve up. So this is a curve up thing. For the above example, this kind of person is a quick witch, act and think and do things quickly, very fast. However, for a lady, it brings a mental stress to the man. to her man, her boyfriend, which can affect her marriage and relationship with her husband or family member because they are too fast. They acting very fast and people cannot follow up. Besides, if his ear anti-helix is also curved up, that means the ear anti-helix side also curve up, also come out, then he might have a quite some marriage history, and her husband will be easy to have major or fatality incident. I don't know because maybe it's compression, it's too much pressure at home, make him cannot concentrate when he driving on the road. So this type of lady, her husband should have a round face one, round face, or a tolerant man. Always he never take it serious. Everything he just laugh, then it's okay. So a short, crisp and uneven forehead. You can see this is an uneven forehead. Some portion down, some portion up, some portion down, some portion up. And then you can see some come out like a hue. For the top example, this kind of person doesn't care of the family or parents. They only care by their own feeling, own thinking. They always have faced the best consequences and less happy. For the bottom example, you can see this type of person have a very serious incident in their life, always occur during the age of a particular location. You know, everybody know this. This is a man made the whole world. Whole world becomes strike. This is George Floyd. The police officer had his nail on his neck and killed him. One person make the whole country upside down. So you can see the forehead is not balanced one. You can see. So it will bring a very bad luck. Not all the uneven forehead is not good. It depends on the location or the shape. So depend on the shape. The lines on the forehead, you can see. Ladies got the lines at the forehead or between the eyebrow and direct to the forehead. That means this lady have before the years of 35. That means he's not very good. He always have an unfavorable marriage, and he is subjective and refuse to learn other people's opinion. Always want people to listen to her own opinion. Nobody can change his mind. He want to do something, he just do direct. He don't care about other people. So this make their marriage not very favorable. So but the forehead side, if you have a line, the curve actually come out one like the U shape. End of the line actually go out, facing outside, not downward. This U shape, the line is upward one. That means the person have a very good luck and always have an opportunity to become a top leader of the country or the company. This is Mr. Lee Kuan Yew at the age of 30 years old. You can see his line go out. He's facing out. He won the election and become the first Prime Minister of Singapore in 1965. Therefore, we learn face reading cannot 100% fully follow what is written in the physiognomy book. Asia countries' education always ask a student to follow the book. However, the book is written by human. They could have a mistake. On practice or theory in the book might not 100% right or accurate. Practice, experience, and comprehensive judgment are the most important for the face reading. And you can make the people very accurate. This is a very important part to make our face reading accurate. Remember to do the practice experience as I say before when you are free. Always do it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe sign and the ringing bell, and write your valuable comment. Thank you for your support. If you got any doubt or question, on face reading. You can contact me through YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Or please contact me. Thank you very much for you to watch until the end of this video. Actually, all the faces, if you got any not good part, line or scar or mole or any black color or all these things actually can be removed by the facial plastic surgery or facial care, or you go to hospital to see the specialist doctor, they will help you. But if normal and easy methods, you use a lotion every night, then you use your hand to touch your forehead and make it from the center until the both side, or make it smoothly and try to reduce a line, reduce a scar or everything. Or actually this can change your life. This actually can bring you a good luck. This is one of the secret I teach you. Nobody will teach you this secret one. You can go to do something to change your life, because face, the forehead is very important part for the people. When people see your face, if your forehead got a very bad mark or very scar, a big scar, it make people a little bit uncomfortable, so the relationship might be affected. So you can do something about that. Oh, thank you.